ultimate guide where the wild meets the wise. We're teaching you how to cope and thrive in every terrain, under every sky. Let's go!
Welcome, you incredible humans, to Where the Wild Meets the Wise. I'm Rainer Snake Salzger from Survive Smart, and if you joined us for part 1, you know we're all about connecting with the great outdoors and, more importantly, connecting with that amazing wild spirit within ourselves. Last time, we talked about the why. Today, we're diving headfirst into the how, specifically, the incredible, often misunderstood, and truly transformative world of camping. Now, when some folks hear camping, they picture epic treks into uncharted wilderness, battling bears while simultaneously wrestling a tent. Or maybe, for others, it's just inconvenient, dirty, and frankly, a bit dangerous, right? Folks, those are some seriously outdated glitches in the Matrix. Camping isn't just for seasoned survivalists, or those with a trust fund for a luxury RV. It's an art, and when you get it wired, it's one of the cheapest, most delightful, and frankly, sanity-saving ways to hit reset on a world that never seems to stop. At Survive Smart, we boil down the essence of camping into 6 core principles. Think of them as your cheat sheet to outdoor awesome. 1. Camping is your ultimate chill pill. First off, let's be real. Camping is primarily about recreation. It's about unplugging from the endless scroll, swapping screen time for green time, and letting your brain just breathe. No deadlines, no notifications, just you, a sleeping bag, and maybe a particularly stubborn squirrel. It's pure, unfiltered fun, designed to recharge your mental batteries faster than any fast charger. 2. The simple life, anywhere life. This is where we bust some myths. You don't need to mortgage your house to explore the Amazon. While the deep wilderness is epic, you can get a massive chunk of the benefit just by pitching a tent. On a little patch of grass in your backyard. On a porch, if you're feeling adventurous. Seriously, even a rooftop in the city can become your personal green escape. Camping is about simplifying, cutting through the noise, and rediscovering what truly matters. It's about realizing you really don't need 47 kitchen gadgets to make a decent meal. 3. Grow your own wisdom, self-governance with a nod to the elders. We believe in empowering you. The best control isn't imposed from outside, it comes from within. In any smart camp experience, we encourage self-reliance and shared responsibility. Every full member, whether you're 8 or 80, has a voice in how things run. It's like a mini democracy under the stars, building character, leadership, and a sense of belonging. 4. The undeniable magic of the campfire. What's a camp without a campfire? Just a cold spot with stuff in it. From the moment our ancestors huddled around the first flames, fire has been more than just warmth. It's light, protection, a gathering place, and a council circle. It's where stories come alive, where laughter echoes, and where strangers become family. There's something primal, something deeply human, about watching those flames dance. It strips away the modern facade and lets our true selves shine. You sit with someone around that fire, you share that glow, and a bond forms that can last a lifetime. It's not just a fire, it's an ancient, sacred embrace. 5. Mastering essential outdoor skills. Now, let's talk essential outdoor skills, because woodcraft sounds a bit like something from a 19th century manual, doesn't it? Our goal isn't to turn you into a competitive champion, but into a well-rounded, resilient human being. We focus on practical skills that empower you. Navigation, no, not just Google Maps. Basic shelter building. Water purification, because hydration is key, folks. First aid, for those inevitable oops moments. Observation skills, noticing the little things, like that perfect bird call or that sneaky critter. And yes, the courage to try new things and push your own boundaries. These aren't just camping skills, they're life skills that build character, physical fitness, and a deep appreciation for the natural world. 6. Your journey, your standards, no competition necessary. Forget trophies and bragging rights. In the wild, your only competition is yourself, or maybe that tricky knot you're trying to untie. We champion self-improvement over crushing someone else. Our tests aren't about beating the other guy, but about mastering time, space, and the forces of nature. It's about raising yourself up, celebrating personal bests, and becoming the best version of you. Imagine a world where we all celebrated growth, not just victory. Pretty cool, right? So, whether you're planning a grand expedition or just a backyard sleepout, these principles are your compass. Camping isn't just an activity, it's a mindset. It's about simplicity, connection, and rediscovering the incredible resilience and wisdom that already lies within you. And remember, this isn't just about surviving, it's about thriving. It's about finding that wild peace, wherever you are. So, what are you waiting for? Dust off that old sleeping bag, grab a friend or just yourself, and find a patch of green, even if it's just the ceiling of your living room fort. The wild is waiting, and the wise in you is ready to meet it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and join the Where the Wild Meets the Wise community. And tell us in the comments, what's your absolute favorite thing about camping, or what's holding you back from pitching your first tent? Let's learn and grow together.